So on my last Vajacial video, I saw that a lot of people were wanting more details, so I'm doing another video, another Vajacial tutorial, and I'm gonna do more details on the products that I use, why I used them, and all that good stuff. So this is the Skin Script Charcoal Clay Cleanser with kaolin, which is all good for detoxing the skin. When we wear panties and tight clothes and all that stuff, our pores down there can get really clogged, and that is why I use that cleanser. I'm using this enzyme here to help break down the dead skin. It's like a chemical exfoliant, so that's pretty much what enzymes do. They I would say, they chemically break down dead skin, and you're able to just brush it away. And then this is a toner that I made. I'm going to be trying it out today. I am thinking about adding some herbs in there, some calendula flowers or whatever else, but for right now we just got it like that, and it's just a toner, but I'm specifically making that for my Vajacials. She is getting ingrown hair removal today, so I usually treat the areas that I extracted with this to try to keep it from scarring and all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to use this mask today. We're not going to do a jelly mask. I'm going to just use this regular mask, which is really soothing for the skin. And just because we've done a lot of jelly mask, and then with this enzyme right here, it is pretty strong, so I want to do something to help soothe her skin. Y'all know that this is just one of those little art paint thingy jigs. You can get it in any art section. I even saw them at the Dollar Tree yesterday, and so I put my products in here to keep from overusing it, and for sanitation reasons, to stay sanitary. So as I'm putting my brush in the product, I'm not, it just helps to keep everything clean. You're only putting the brush in products that you're using on that specific client. So her appointment starts in about 15 minutes. She is a regular. I'm almost certain that she's sitting outside. So I'm gonna go get her, and we're gonna get started. So keep on watching.
Money, queens get the money. 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 Queens get the money.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brooke. I'm a licensed esthetician, and I upload videos about aesthetics, business, lifestyle, and a little razzle dazzle here and there. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to try to do a more detailed video on this Vajacial. So I'm applying the charcoal cleanser. This is from SkinScriptRx.com. I did not link to the specific products in the last video because you have to have a license in order to purchase their products. You will go on the site, you will make an account, you have to upload a picture of your license. They will verify that your license are in good standing, and then they will allow you to purchase from them. A lot of their products, you also have to have proof of insurance, like their pills and stuff like that, in order to buy. So I will try to link the exact site down below, but not to the specific products. I don't even know if I'm allowed to, but when you go on there, they have really good descriptions. They will, when you purchase, will send you pamphlets and stuff about each product that they have, what it specifically treats, and all of that good stuff. So just check out the website if you are interested in the products. Also, you guys, I decided to switch to do microdermabrasion on her instead of that coconut papaya enzyme, because we're really focusing on getting her skin tone even and lessening the discoloration. Lessening, is that a word? I don't know. Decreasing the discoloration. So we're gonna do microdermabrasion instead. The machine that I use will be linked down below. I have used it in other videos, as well as the last Vajacial video that I did. So, and someone else asked, they wanted to see how to treat the lip area. I cannot do that on YouTube. YouTube will strike my channel. They have done it before. I had a whole different channel with this topic, and they did suspend that channel. So because of that, so I have to keep this rated G as possible. But I may be putting together a teachable course or a Kajabi course. It will be cheap because I know we are all out here trying to make it, showing how I treat the lip area. That is the main area a lot of people want treated to help out with the discoloration and all of that. At this point, I do not do skin bleaching. I'm looking into it. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research about that, but there are other ways to treat that area to help brighten it up. So yeah, I'm using towels from my little mini warmer to wipe the product off. I don't use sponges because they get cold, and I want this to be like a luxury type of treatment. So I have a mini towel warmer because if you saw my spa tour, you know that I'm cramped for space. But this is the microdermabrasion machine that I am using. It is a dual machine. It has the little crushed crystals or whatever they're called. That was what was in the silver part that you saw, and that is how it mechanically gets up the dead skin. And it has a suction on it that helps to just suck up whatever dead skin, oil, debris, and all that stuff that it gets up. So it's less of a mess, but I will have it linked down below. That is the toner that I made. You can just spray it on. I like to wipe it off just to keep the service quick as possible. Not just quick, but you know, we don't want to spend all day with one client, especially on a service that I don't charge much for. This is a $40 service. So you know what I say, maximize your profit and reduce your expenses. That's how you maximize your profit, is by less time, more money with each client. And it's not all about money. Somebody coming in and said I'm all about money. You're in business to make money, but at the same time, maximize your profits, sweetheart. But anyways, this is the high frequency machine. I did have that listed in the last video. I will list it in this one. You use that. The argon gas that's in it is what kills the bacteria that causes ingrowns. So this is the same machine as the microdermabrasion machine that is used. Blue lead light therapy also kills bacteria that causes acne, ingrowns, all of that good stuff. It helps to clear out the pores. It is the same machine. It's a dual machine. I will list that down below as well. It is fairly inexpensive, but it has been doing me good for at least over a year. And I do a lot of vajacials, you guys. So it is very worth the investment. And I do remove the towel. I just cut those parts out of the video. I remove the towel and treat her bikini area and her lip area. So we are treating everything. We are trying to get that skin as clear as possible and even toned as possible. But like I said, for the sake of this video, I have to have the towel there. So we're going to apply the yogurt berry mask, which is also from Skin Script. So everything that I don't make, you guys, is pretty much from Skin Script. That's where the products come from. That was a lot of the questions that I got in my last video, is more details on the products. So if I didn't make it, 9 times out of 10, it came from Skin Script. And those are my Vajacial and facial products. Y'all know I offer other services and I make stuff for that, and some stuff I buy to retail to go with those services. So we're going to wipe that on off using a warm towel. And then we're going to treat the areas that I exfoliated. Not exfoliated, the areas that I extracted. You know, discoloration and scarring can come from that. So I like to treat those areas. I did not include that in the video because I have an extraction video series. But yeah, so this was a Vajacial with ingrown extractions. You saw the spot treatment that I used that also came from Skin Script. So you just apply that in those spots, and then I'm going to end off the service with the kitty butter that I do make. I use that for post waxing and for this. I tried to show it. I don't know how it got mixed up, or maybe from me cutting off the video and stuff like that. But y'all have seen that before. If not, go to my website and you will see it. It's chemical free, but it does have ingredients that helps to prevent ingrowns and all of that good stuff. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. But yeah, we are nearing the end of the video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If I missed any details, please comment them and I will try to answer as many people as I can. Be on the lookout for those courses if you wanting to know more about Vajacials. So you all have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Queens get the money, queens.